right now I am on my way to get a full body massage with my friend Melissa. I'm meeting her up at her house so we can just go because I'm gonna die need a massage. I need a massage. I'm like, oh my god, look at my nails are so short. I gotta go get my nails done, but I'm actually letting them breathe a little bit. So just have nail polish. But my friend said, how are you letting them breathe if you have nail polish on, girl? And I'm like, oh, you're right. So I think I'm just gonna take it off. But whatever. Anyways, later. So we're here. We're getting a couples massage. We're getting a couple. She's my wife.
For today.
Oh, what is it today?
Recommended gratuity. We messed up. I'm messing.
It's nice, okay?
Always took later.
Oh, there you go, okay. Go, baby, take your clothes
I
off.
got stuck in me.
Take your clothes off. I'm recording you. We're just waiting.
I just changed my hairstyle.
For like the third time. For the third time. But I think you need the hair out of your bag, so I think you need to do
like a mermaid.
For the third time this week to change your hairstyle.
This time I didn't purposely put this there, it just came naturally.
Okay, now we're ready.
Just tell her all the places that you want her to touch you.
Here, please, here.
And she'll touch you. Show them the poles on the ceiling.
That's what they grab on.
That's so that they don't put so much weight.
So they can step on you.
Yeah, without putting so much weight.
This would be perfect for Yesenia and AJ. Because they like...
Now you know to get them for Christmas.
I know, right? I should get them.
And you better get a vacation for Christmas.
I better get a vacation for Christmas.
Or you told AJ. You know what to get.
Okay, so...
I'm ready to take a nap tonight. Oh, there goes something.
Okay. Melissa,
All right, let me fix my
what
hair.
did you think? Oh, okay. Fix your hair. Oh, no. I found a better microphone. Melissa, what did you think about your massage?
I thought it was delightful while it lasted. However, they did not do some things. They lacked in a few areas.
Like what?
They didn't do my fucking feet. And they didn't step on me. And I'm also a bit curious on a lymphatic drainage massage.
Oh, hey, did she massage your butt?
She did. Did she massage yours?
No, she massaged my butt, but like, she went in like my crack and shit. Yeah. So, I mean, not like inside, but then
Like
she...
close to
like,
it.
okay, so when she put my underwear down, she put it like almost all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm like, oh,
Because that's
okay.
where the lymph, that's where the sciatic is.
Oh, okay. I was like,
Did it feel,
okay.
was it tickly? Like
No, not at all. But then, okay, you see how like this is your butt cheek, and then right here is like your crack, whatever.
Okay.
So she was going like
Near
like
your
this,
crack.
like going into the crack and massaging and going, and I'm like, a little bit more. She's gonna touch like my booty hole. I mean, whatever. Oh, and then did your lady sit on you?
On me, no.
My lady sat on me.
Did you like it?
I mean, she wasn't heavy.
I don't
I was like, oh my god, Spider-Man.
Yeah, they get on you and shit.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't mind it at all, but I've never had one sit on me before. Maybe because I told her medium soft.
Maybe hard.
So, well, no, because when I had a massage before and it was hard and she was like really going and I was like, ah.
It's like,
And then the knots that I felt that I had, she really wasn't going after. So, I mean, I don't know. It's okay. I mean, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. And then like my feet, she just like tickled my feet.
yeah.
Like I've gotten better feet massages with my pedicure. But did yours do it really hard like the way you wanted to, or you wanted for it to be harder?
No, she did a decent. She didn't do too bad. She did like my shoulder. I don't know if she like maybe next time be like pressure points.
Oh, okay. Should I bring like a chart?
Be like, so this is my back, right?
I remember when I went horseback riding. It was fine, but then when we were kind of the horse was kind of stepping a little bit down. My back was.
Yeah, you heard it cracking?
Yeah, like I heard it.
How
like,
did you break a disc?
because I'm thinking you get chronic arthritis when you're old, whatever. But
I'm like, okay, should I tell her, like, okay, not hard anymore? This is like torture right now.
I wanted her to focus a lot on here, but whatever. I mean, you know, you liked it? Okay.
Now when that bolts to the rear,
That's the first gun I shot. You heard?
Very good job. I'm more excited about how we
give it a good slap.
nailed it, dead center.
All right. Then you push this button right here. Now you're racked. You're locked. All right.
We are doing a beach cleanup today. Woo! Beach cleanup. Look at the lifeguards. Look at the lifeguards. Ladies. Look at the lifeguards. Woo! Look, I found a bottle cap. Jenny! I found a bottle cap.
Bad people.
Mm-hmm.
Poor turtle.
Oh, look what it. Oh no, that's nothing. Oh, what is that? A marker. Oh, bring some marker to the beach.
I think we're gonna do a custom.
I'm using it as like a metal detector. I found a water bottle, plastic. So doing a good deed, volunteering my time. So today we did a foreign body. My doctor was called in and I'm the one who runs like the scope, connects like everything. But let me show you what this little doggy ate. Let me just show you, pretty much you go in there, you search the stomach to see where is it located, right? Boom, we found it. With a rat tooth retriever, that's when you try to get it, but easier said than done. It can get a little tricky and then it hides, but there's like another image that you can see the brooch even better. Yeah, it's a little blurry, it's on my camera. Oh yeah, that's like the brooch. Pretty cool, huh? Not pretty cool. I mean, sorry, I feel bad for the little doggy, but yeah, so that's what we did today. See, I just spit it out. And look at how it spits it out. Like your body just spits out foreign material things that doesn't want in there. Isn't it cool? And after the procedure, I have to download all the images, make sure the right ones go through, and then just pretty much like clean the scope, make sure it's nice and clean and dry, put it where it belongs, and then I just have to put like all the stuff away. I run the scope, another young lady runs, she does anesthesia, and she was here like cleaning up, but I was like, listen, I said, let me do everything, you know, I have like free time for like an hour or so I'm just gonna be here listening to my music and yeah, cleaning and setting everything up. Hi, pretty girl. Hello. Look at that face, look at that face. This is one of my patients. His name is Starlight. Hi, Starlight. He has possible foreign body and he has a lot of sludge in his gallbladder. But look, isn't he so handsome? He just came back from ultrasound. Hi, Pumpkin. It's okay, Popeyes. There you go. Hey, baby. Oh, you purry. Are you doing biscuits? No, you're not doing biscuits.
Real important question.
Oh. Okay, you guys want to hear a funny story, but then not a funny story? I was going to type it, but this will be way too long. You see what the picture shows in the background? Yes, that's what we got from a golden retriever that came in for, you know, of course, stomach issues, vomiting, foreign body. We took out 2 pair of socks, not the same, and the thong. But here's where the funny part comes. That thong does not belong to the wife. Dun dun dun! Yeah, we don't know what happened afterwards, but yeah, funny, but not funny. I help you. Yes, I am the bad guy, always. Yes, I acknowledge that.
I'm not saying you. I'm saying like it's corporation thing. I mean, what is one shot of X-ray?
You think you think? Listen, I am.
I'm not telling you. I'm not talking about your video. It's not your decision.
Okay, thank you.
Are you taking a picture? Oh,
I wish we could put him on some pain meds in the meantime.
Huh?
Give him a pain injection.